Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that's furry, friendly and full of energy. Any guesses what that might be? That's right, it's a dog. Let's draw one together. Okay, we're going to be drawing our dog and we're going to go to the middle of the page to start our dog. We're going to start with the nose. So draw a triangular shape with a bit more of a round edge. Then go to the base of that and we're going to draw a W shape. See how that looks like a W? That's the base of the face. In the middle of this W, we're going to draw a semicircle coming down just like that. Now, let's go to the edge here on the right hand side and go probably just in line with the top of that semicircle we just drew and draw upwards a circle going all the way around and meeting you back down there on the other side. Now that's the head, and let's go in with some big eyes. You can do whatever size shape you like, or size, it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to do the ears. So go to the top of the head, about there, just above the eye, and we're going to draw a line going outwards, slightly diagonal, bring that down and back up. Do the same for the other side. Going out, diagonally down, round and back up. Now we've done the face, we're going to move on to the body. So find where you've done the edge of your W and the edge of the face meets and draw a curved line going down and draw a paw at the end of that and bring that back up. Repeat that on the other side. We're going to just draw a line in the middle there. We've done the first two paws. Now we are going to draw the back legs with a round curved shape and the foot just like that. Do the same on the other side. Round curved shape and the foot like that. Last of all, we're going to add on the tail. There we go. You can move the tail to the other side if you like, but I wanted mine on the right. Now we've drawn our dog, we're going to colour it in. I'm going to do mine a brown colour. And there you go. You've got your dog. Let me know which colour you decided to colour in your dog, or if you decided to leave spots like mine. Leave me a note in the comments and I'll check them later. What breed of dog did you draw? Was it like mine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos, and head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.